Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another video. This will be for day 2 of ELAR assignment. What I'm going to do, this is the home screen that we went back to, Region 11. We're going to go back to how does society respond in a crisis. Click on that. Then we're going to scroll down to page 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 right here, phase 2. And I'm just going to read it out loud just so everyone can enjoy hearing my voice. Today, you will focus on understanding new vocabulary. Understanding the terms associated with the crisis. With the crisis will create clarity when you read or listen to new information. So step 1. Now that you have read an article, listened to a podcast, etc. of your choice, refer back to any words and or phrases that seem important to know or confusing. If you have not circled or highlighted these words and terms, please do that now. It's okay if you didn't highlight or circle them. They're going to give you a list here in a second that you're going to see, so don't freak out about that. Step 2. Take time to make sense of new vocabulary by using the following strategies. So if you're going to reread your article, here are some strategies that you can use. Clues. Look in the sentence before, during, and after for clues. So if there's a word, look a little bit before it, look a little bit after it to help clarify it. Word parts. Parts of the words that you already know. Look for prefix, root, and suffix. Connection. What does the word or sentence remind you of in your own life or other text? So have they seen this word before? Have they seen the word pandemic somewhere? Have they seen the word virus somewhere? Something like that. Substitute. Take the word out of the sentence and put it in a known word that makes sense. So if they see virus and they don't really understand it, then they can substitute it for sickness or something like that. I'm sort of thinking off the top of my head, so I don't have all the best examples. But last one, dictionary. Look up the definition in the dictionary or online. The old-fashioned way. It gives you a hyperlink right here that will send you straight to dictionary.com for all the coronavirus words. You don't have to click on that, but if you want to explore, go ahead. It's a good resource. Woo! All right, see the attached copy at the end of the document. This is a graphic organizer to help you organize your vocabulary and thoughts. Don't worry about that. I'm going to show you. They already have one planned out for you. So if you go back up here to learning module and you scroll right down here to crisis response vocabulary, you're going to click on that and boom, it gives you the graphic organizer already made for you. So you can have the student, I'm just going to say student, you can have your student look through this, familiarize himself with it, read through it, and look like, okay, outbreak. Okay, here's a picture relating to it. Here's the definition, so on and so forth. And words that they really don't know, like, oh, what does pandemic mean? What is that? Oh, okay, well, okay, it shows you all this. And it's, it's just really informative. I don't want them to remember these. I'm not going to throw some crazy test out and tell me, what is social distancing? What is, all this? I just want them to learn at their own pace, okay? Scroll through it. And if you have a printer or you want to go ahead and draw this, you can. This part, I'm going to say is optional. It says your turn. If you want to draw this out, this grid, and do your own thing where you put virus right here, you draw a picture, and then you give me a definition, that's cool. I'm all cool with that. But you don't have to do that. What I want you to do, though, is scroll on past this, and you're going to see this hyperlink for Quizlet. I'm pretty sure 99% of my students have seen Quizlet before. You can scan this QR code with your phone if you want to, or if you're working from a computer, you can hit the hyperlink and it'll take you, boom, right here. And this is, again, just practice with the words. And what I want the students to do is look through the words, and you can click on it, and it'll give you the definition, sort of test themselves. You can do this, with your student, and you can say, oh, y'all can play a little game together. Look through all the words. There's 13 of them. And then once you know them well enough, you can start playing games. They have match and gravity over here. It's pretty cool to see. I'll click on it real quick. Start the game. What you're going to do is connect them together, okay? So like you click and drag and boom, just like that. I'm not going to go through all of it with you. Hit back. And when you get really good with these words, you can hit this test one right here. And you can actually test yourself on them. And the fun thing about this, if you're not someone who likes matching, you can go over here to options and you can change it. If you don't want matching, you just want multiple choice, you can do that. If you want to test your spelling and stuff like that, you can do written. If you want to do true and false, awesome. You can click all 4 of them if you want to, and you can even, if you don't want to do all 13 words at one time and you just want to do 6, put in 6, hit create test, boom. 6 questions, true or false, matching, all of it. You can even check yourself on it. So there's that, and then I'm going to exit out of it up here, boom, boom, and go back here. We're down to step 3 now. Now we're going on to step 3. Step 3 says, I'm going to click for a second. What other questions do you have about the coronavirus based on the terms you just learned? What else would you like to learn? Did you answer any questions you had? Did you clarify any unfamiliar words and or phrases you defined? Write these thoughts down in your KWL chart. We started a KWL chart yesterday, but if you happen to lose it, which I know some of my students do, that's all fine and dandy. If you go back again to the home screen and you scroll down, KWL chart right there. And again, you can do this on paper if you want to. You don't have to print this out every time and fill it out. If you're carrying on from yesterday, it should be really easy just to keep on adding. What did you learn? Well, I learned what epidemic mean. I learned what novel meant. I know what the CDC is now. Stuff like that. I'm going to exit out of that. Exit. And go back here. Tomorrow, we'll start on phase 3. Again, thank y'all so much for being patient with me. I know this is a difficult adjustment for all of us. If you have any questions, again, I put my Google Voice phone number on Facebook and also on Instagram. If you haven't followed me, follow me already for all the latest and greatest updates. Hope everyone's doing well. I hope I get to see y'all soon. Yeah, that's it. Y'all have a good day.